Ladies and gentlemen, in the panel above your heads you'll find a reading light, flight attendant contact, and refresher event. There are 3 toilets aboard this aircraft, one located at the front of the cabin and 2 at the back. Coffee changing tables are also available. Although the captain may turn off the fasten seatbelt signs during the flight, for your safety this is Belfast Airlines policy that your seatbelt be fastened at all times whilst you're in your seat. In the event the seatbelt sign is turned on during flight, make sure you return to your seat, fasten your seatbelt, and ensure your carry-on baggage is stowed underneath the seat in front of you. Devices such as MP3, CDs, DVDs, and video games may only be used after takeoff when the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Lastly, laptop computers and similar devices are also used when the seatbelt sign has been turned off, provided the transmit receipt function has been deactivated. As a final reminder, this flight has been designated strictly non-smoking. These toilets are equipped with a sensitive smoke detection system and is smoke from 1 cigarette to activate the alarm. Thank you.